Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're on, what's the name of the street right here?
Albert Street.
Albert Street, and we're going towards Wild Street. Now, if you take a look to the left, Mr. Cameraman over there, you'll see the post office. How long ago we had this post office here? How many years ago? You all grew up and see this post office right here? So this post office have been there for over 50 years. And is this still a post office?
No, it's locked down.
Oh, it's not a post office anymore?
Yeah, but I turn in our trade center.
Well, let's put it to good so the community can do something with it. All right, we're moving right along. We're gonna go now to the famous Aki tree where Aki man got his name from, right?
Yes,
it was the saddest day or the happiest day? Was the Aki tree full or empty?
The joy that coming like it was over with, you know? It's like it's invisible.
Yeah.
Rastafari, to the time of this time.
Okay.
You know, when I feel love the power of mind, you know?
Yeah. So Soprano.
Yeah.
As a young man too, you grew up in this part of KIRK. All upon the street. That was your street.
Street.
What kind of memories do you have of this particular street?
Tell you the truth,
as a little youth that come up. Hold on there.
Yeah.
Soprano, imagine we're past the famous Aki tree. I can't believe this.
Come here.
Come right on there, sir. Right away. But good stand up right away for the camera. Come ready feet in the heart. Come. Come right there, sir. Yeah, me know. Me don't know what I'm talking to you. Because I don't want this thing. I'm call them. This too hot already, you know. More hear the famous tune where you create right underneath this Aki tree. So go and put it right away.
The saddest day of my life, when I woke up on an empty Aki tree, and no more Aki for me. The saddest day of my life, when I woke up on an empty Aki tree, and no more Aki for me. You hear me? Me tell them Aki buy me shoes, Aki buy me pants, Aki buy me shirt, that's why me not around. Me drink Aki porridge, drink Aki soup, drink Aki juice, and me eat Aki soup. What do you think the on the menu? Me tell them Aki bone, Aki cake, Aki goulash. Yeah, you
Don't talk him. But let me ask you a question. That was the saddest day, but you also tell big stories, so you had a very happy day. So tell us about the happy day and the same Aki tree.
Well, I'm come and see the joy, you know, and the liquor you them over the yard. We have people over the yard, and people over the yard. I be seeing a big one here, boy. I walk them for the Aki, but if I saw me, I forgot to take it now, cause so I'm gonna come and say the happiest day of my life, when I woke up on a full Aki tree. And so much Aki for me, the happiest day of my life, when I woke up on a full Aki tree. And so much Aki for me. Me tell them Aki buy me shoes, Aki buy my pants, Aki buy me shirt, that's PIA, man. You also this man not about $4 Aki, you know. I come like not trouble for selling it, I don't know why, but come like, you know, the Aki school kind of can I get hard away from me, because I wait for Aki man, you know.
But me ask you a question, Aki man, the great famous DJ will get the name Aki man. You pick 4 dozen Aki higher and you couldn't sell 1 dozen?
You want to see me look and see a man that come up and I say, team say, you know, so I have some real Aki fruit here. Yeah? And the man said, I say them, I'm sure and say, you see one of them more than just because them fresh, you know. They will carry it up on my yard.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're right here under the famous Aki tree for Aki man. Aki man is an artist that has been doing it for many, many years. And we believe in that any artist can bust. Once you have a talent and you believe in yourself, you can become anything that you want to become. And it is very good to see Aki man being able to come through his community and meet all the nice people. Because we see some people, Aki man, how would them people? Wait, how would them people here?
Yeah, them people I'm happy
for. Come here, darling. Come right across the street. I want to
I run for myself, you know? And I got the one people that stop me run from themselves, you know?
Come right here.
Because the life real and I want fire born already, you can't born again, you know?
Eh? Can you let what? What name? What's your name? What name? Donald Dilo Barnett. It's a big name here, you know. And guess what? You know why I commend you? Because you're very brave. Everybody else run with the Donald. Only you alone there. So guess what? You're the one that is going to be a star. When you grow up, what do you want to do? What do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to become? You want to become a doctor? You want to become a lawyer? You want to become a policeman? You want to become a soldier? You want too much things, brethren. Oh, you want so much things. Well, you want to become. You come here. No, run. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're moving right through, meeting the community and just having some good time.